Hey there, Sagittarius. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your universe message, and you have to decide by yourself for what situation a universe wants to give this message. So let's start your reading. Let's see what is coming up for you for the month of August. Two of Swords and the Judgment. So you are indecisive about something. If some second chance is coming towards you, you are indecisive. So universe is asking you to make a decision to reconcile your partner, or make a decision to get a second chance in any kind of situation. Whatever you were thinking about, or whatever decision you wanted to make, you have to make a decision. So to get second chance from the person, or you want a second chance from this person, but you are indecisive what decision you have to make. So let's see what is a romance angel oracle message for you. um, is healing family issues. Your love life benefit as you forgive your parents. Maybe parents are involved in this situation. Maybe you are having some clashes with your parents, or maybe your partner's parents, so you have to heal this issue. Family issue are involving in your love life, so and that's why you are not able to decide about the connection. So there is a reconciliation chance, but you are not able to take a decision, or someone is not able to take a decision because you are not forgiving your parents, or any parent, your partner's parents or your parents. So if you forgive your parents, then you will, then this connection, this decision will be easy for you to reconcile with this person. So let's see what is the number message for you, Sagittarius. What is the number message for you, Sagittarius? Is 444. Your angels are guiding you, surrounding you, and answering your prayers of protection. It may be a time of struggle, but you are being led into the light by your guardians. uh, if you are thinking that you are in a struggle because of your family, because your person's family, because of your parents or your person's parents, so angel are protecting you and answering your prayers, and they are telling you that this is a time of struggle, but you are being led into the light by your guardians. But you will be on a light. Something will come out which will make you which will make this decision um, easy for you. So that was your reading, Sagittarius. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in the comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.